Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a heavy motor vehicle, or HMV, license. Obtaining this license is a crucial step for operating larger vehicles safely and legally. We will go through the entire process, from understanding what an HMV license entails to successfully receiving yours. It is important to be well prepared, so we will cover all the essential requirements and steps you need to follow to ensure a smooth application journey. Let's get started. To be eligible for an HMV license, you must be at least 20 years old. Furthermore, you need to hold a valid light motor vehicle, or LMV, license for a minimum of 1 year. When applying, ensure you have all your documents ready. This includes proof of address and identity, such as an Aadhaar card or passport. Additionally, a medical certificate from a government-approved doctor is mandatory, confirming your fitness to drive heavy vehicles. These steps are vital for a successful application. The application process begins by completing the necessary form, which can often be done conveniently online or by visiting your local transport office. After submitting your application, you will need to pay the prescribed fees, which typically amount to around 200 rupees for the test and 50 rupees for the license itself. Next, you must schedule and successfully pass the heavy vehicle driving test. Remember to bring a suitable heavy vehicle for your practical examination. This test assesses your ability to operate these larger vehicles safely. Upon successfully passing your driving test and completing all formalities, you will receive your heavy motor vehicle license. This license is typically valid for a period of 5 years from its issue date. It is crucial to remember to renew your license before it expires to avoid any legal complications. Maintaining a clean driving record is also very important, as it ensures the continued validity and good standing of your HMV license. Drive safely and responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.